NRXP stock, NRX Pharmaceuticals Inc., currently trading at $10.18, a gain of 50.81% in this pre-market session of the 29th of November 2021. The news behind this rally, I believe, is that the company said today that patients with COVID-19 respiratory failure show substantial improvement after being treated with Aviptadil, compared with the existing therapies such as remdesivir. So the company, the pharmaceutical company said today, or rather said the study provides preliminary evidence that Aviptadil is effective in increasing the odds of recovery and survival from respiratory failure amongst the sickest COVID-19 patients overall, and particularly in those whose respiratory failure has progressed despite treatment from remdesivir. So the study showed that patients were 4 times more likely to survive after treatment with Aviptadil than with placebo, according to their statement. So I believe this is also what is behind this rally. The stock is now getting some resistance from its 10-day moving average right now, and outside that it's trading above all the other moving averages, including the volume weighted average price. So the momentum is yes, improving, showing some strength there. So to the RSI, this is what's going on right now live in this pre-market. So the market is going to open, it's going to start trade. The market is going to open in about 8 minutes and some fraction. So the volumes we have so far, it seems we have on this as things stand right now, the up volume, that is the volumes that have been involved as the stock, when the stock was on the ascent, has been on the majority. Yes, 1.5 million shares have crossed the tape for the upside as things stand right now. The down volume is about 1.049. So you can see that counting down on your screen right now. So somehow buyers are by far more active than sellers, at least yes, close to half the volumes more, that's what's going on right now. So it has broken through that 10-day moving average on this on this 1 minute model. This is the closest you can see to what's going on with NRXP stock right now. So okay, it has it seems it's finding it difficult to extend beyond that point where it is right now. But at some point we saw it trade up to $10.74. We saw it trade up to that, but right now it is beginning to gain some more strength as well, but not very much. But all in all, it is trading above all of its moving averages right now. Yes, when it reached 10.72, you would naturally expect that maybe, yes, this is possibly what could happen. It moved sideways and even at some point fell below all of its short and intermediate moving averages, that is the 10, 20 and the 50-day moving averages. But since that time it has sprung up again, but at the same time as well faced resistance and moving sideways. This is all you'll expect, even though there are positive fundamentals. We just read out for you the positive news concerning its drug, and as it concerns how it affects patients who have COVID-19. So right now we are looking at the momentum is just holding up at 66.67. The gain is now 51.11%, and getting support from the 10-day moving average. So we have a target. We think based on how things have gone now, we have a target of $11.50. It may extend beyond that. And even double. It could. It's really possible. But right now, our target, based on how things have happened in this pre-market session, we have a target of $11.50. And then, if it's going to fall, we also expect it to fall close to $8. It could even be less than that. It could even be more than that. It could even fall below $8. But based on how things have progressed, this pre-market session, we expect it to get to $11.50, and if it's going to fall to close to $8. So the range is between $8 to $11.50. That's our range for this, at least for today, the 29th of November 2021. So right now It's had added some more gains now, trading at $11.30 $10.30, a gain of 52.89%. Has the price escaped the 10-day moving average? No, it's currently trading above it, but not so far off from it now. So, and the market will open in about 5 minutes and some fraction. So are we going to stick around to see what it's going to be like when the market opens as it concerns NRXP? Well, let's just see. Okay, right now we have a gain of 52.44, 53.04, and I think the volumes are still high. The buy volumes are, the up volumes are still high, are still ahead, are still more. Yeah, still more, okay, but this time around not as much as 500,000, now about 400,000 or some fraction. 54.52%, that's the gain. The stock has started to extend, has visibly cleared away from the 10-day moving average right now. $10.50, 56% is the gain now. Okay, let's see, are we getting the volumes? The volumes have moved into this section, so there's no down volume here. The volume, let's see whether we can get the volume. We're not getting any volumes there. Are we getting volume? Is the volume here? Okay, I think we're still here. That's where the volumes are still. So trading at $10.50, gain of 55.56%. So the market is opening in about 3 minutes. Can we hang around to see what's going to happen when the market opens? So yes, its gain is now 56.15%. I think this is where the volumes are there. Okay, there are a few down volumes here. There's, some are trading, taking advantage of the down. Some are selling, or rather buying, as the case may be. Or the up volumes. I mean, they're easy. Buyers are definitely more active than sellers. Let's see whether we can get the volumes here. Okay, yes, we have the volumes. The up volume, that is the volumes involved in as the stock is on the move up, 455,000, and then the volumes that are involved as it's moving down, 138,000. Okay, it's trying to get support from that 10-day moving average again. If it doesn't fall below that moving average, it may also lead to the stock spiking further, but it has broken through that 10-day moving average. Let's see, this is where the volumes are now. Okay. The volumes on this as things stand around in the current condition, that is as it is retracing, the volume is at 1.296, 1.3 million. That is what is recorded at this level. Okay, the market is opening in about a minute and some fraction. The gain has now dropped down to 49.78%. Trading at $10.10, $10.05. Okay, falling below now, getting support from its volume with the average price falling down to 9.96. So the market is opening in about a minute and some fraction. Let's see, we're just going to hang on to see what's going to happen when the market opens concerning an NRXP. Okay, fell below its 10 and 20-day moving averages, but not its 50-day moving average. So it's trading below those moving averages, and it's tending to even fall further. So we have a range of $8.8 and 11.50 in this session. The range could be more. It could be wider than this. It could be wider than what we are projecting. So we have a few seconds now before the market opens. So trading at $10.05. The gain is now 48.89. I believe we may have lost close to 8% since the last minute or thereabout. So the market is going to open any second now. The market is going to open any second now. So okay, the market is open now. So okay, the gain is now 49.6 for 51.52.05. Okay, they are getting involved. Market participants are getting involved. Those moving averages were posing a resistance, but yeah, they posed the resistance, but it's not what's going to happen. Broken through that those moving averages. Let's get the volumes here. 2.44 million, the upper volume. Down volume is 1. Okay, things are really dynamic here. So the volume with the average price has just spiked up now. Okay, the gain is 49.78. Okay, so it's currently at 9.91. So our target is between $8 and $11.50. Is there any chance you can get there? Well, we know that of late market shares that are on the move in the pre-market don't always continue to extend in the regular session, so we maintain our target regardless. Okay, just see what you make of NRXP and we'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.